Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time. So today I'm going to be doing a perm rod set. Right now I have deep conditioner in my hair. I'm going to be doing the first part of this in the shower. So I'm just showing you what my hair looks like with the deep conditioner in it, and now I'm going to rinse that out. I'll have the products, every product that I used linked below. So I'm just going to get my deep conditioner rinsed out really well, and I'm going to do that in all of my sections. So now I'm coming back and I've got the deep conditioner rinsed out, and I'm about to start applying my products. So the first one is the Aphogee Keratin and Green Tea Reconstructor. If you guys have seen my fall wash day routine, this is the same products that I'm using there. This is just really good for porous hair. I've seen it really help with frizz and breakage. Like, my hair does not break off as much, and so I love using this as a leave-in along with the Kinky curly knot today. Y'all know this is one of my favorites. I'm going to be using this one here because it's lightweight and it has a lot of slip, so it's going to help me detangle, and you'll see I'll be detangling my sections, but it also gives me lightweight moisture. And so for the perm rod set, I don't want my hair to be too weighed down, but I still want it to be moisturized. So that is why I am using the Kinky curly knot today. So I'm gonna get that. I'm pretty generous with that too. Gonna get that through all the sections just because, like I said, it really does help with detangling. So now I'm going to break this bigger section into two smaller sections. Now they're not even at all. I thought they were more even when I was doing this in the shower, but they're not really that even, but that's okay. I'm gonna clip that first section up and then just concentrate on this back bottom section. So I am going to grab my Tangle Teaser. I also talked about this in my fall wash day routine. I'm starting to like it a little bit more. I am using this because of how smooth it gets my hair. When I'm detangling my hair, it gets my roots all the way down, just so smooth. You can see that here in the clip. So once I get that all smooth, I'm gonna go in with a hair tie. Now these are not the hair ties that have the metal little thing on them. They're just the regular hair tie scrunchies. And then I'm gonna plait my hair up, making sure it's detangled. I'm gonna plait it all the way up to the end. This I am doing to stretch my hair. I saw this in a video. I will have it linked below. I don't even remember the name of who it was, but she stretched her hair in the shower using this method, and I was like, hey, let me try that because perm rods, I feel like my hair needed to be a little bit more stretched than just how it is when it's wet. So as you see, I'll be going into smaller sections. I think I end up with a total of 8 sections where I just detangle out and then do a nice long plait to stretch my hair. So this is what those 2 sections are looking like right now. As you can see, my roots are very stretched, and so I'm hoping that's gonna help with the perm rod set tomorrow. So I've got all of those throughout my hair. I'm going to let this air dry. It's about the middle of the day, so I'm gonna let these air dry all day, and then I'm gonna sleep in them also. That way they're pretty much going to be dry by the time I do my perm rod set the next day. All right, so it is the next day. I did loosen up, as you can see, some of those sections sleeping. They were a little tight, but I still have all of the stretch that I really wanted from my root standpoint. I just didn't want really puffy roots, so I'm hoping that this helps with that. So I'm just going to go ahead now and take down all of these plaited sections. My hair was actually very moisturized. Like, the Kinky Curly did exactly what I thought it was going to do. My hair is still a little damp. You can see me running my fingers through it, but just showing you a little bit of the stretch from the roots. But it is, I mean, it's probably 95% dry. Just a little dampness kind of where the twist tie was. So I'm going to be taking like a paddle brush now, starting at my ends, and I'm going to go ahead and brush this out. So this is how I'm going to achieve like a blow dry look without actually using the blow dryer. Again, my hair was very detangled before I plaited it, and so it did not take much for the paddle brush to kind of brush that hair out. So this is what that back section looks like. So yeah, pretty pleased with it. For not blow drying my hair, that's a decent stretch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of these sections. And this is what my hair looks like. You can see I'm a little amused by it. Yeah, it gives me a blow dry look, kind of. Better than nothing at all. So I like it. Now I'm going to go in and start with these perm rods. I had to change clothes because I was hot in that long sleeve. So now I have taken that back section and taken a smaller, like a wash and go section, very small, and I'm going to split that into 2 different sections, and one of those is going to be one for the perm rod. So I'm still trying to take fairly small sections with the perm rod. I'm going to be going in with the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam. If you've seen my Flexi Rod set, this is what I use for that. I absolutely loved it. So stick to the rivers and lakes that I'm used to. This is the mousse that I'm going to be using for the perm rod set. Going on, it felt really good. Now, what I did not realize is that, well, I probably realized it but didn't think about it, water is the first ingredient in the Doux Mousse Def. So as I applied this to my roots, all it did was wave them back up. So my stretch, I think it still was nice, but once I applied that, I started to get some reverting happening. So I'm just gonna roll this up. Now this is my second perm rod set, y'all, so don't judge me. I'm trying it out. That's why this is not a perm rod set tutorial. I'm just kind of showing you guys what I did, and then you guys can see my results and take something from it if you want to try it. So I'm just going in with the sections, smaller sections, using the Mousse Def, and then brushing out the section and taking the perm rod. I'm using the green perm rods. So they're like the jumbo XL size, I think is what the package said. So yeah, I will let you guys just watch. I'm going to speed this thing up, but you guys can just kind of watch my technique. And then I'll come back at the end and take them down and show you what my results look like. Okay, y'all, so I have all of the perm rods in my head. They weren't all as tight as they probably should have been, but like I said, it's my second time, so y'all say hey to my dog in the corner, being just nosy. But yeah, this is my hair. I set it under the dryer, let it dry for about 2 hours and some change, and now I'm gonna take them down, being really careful just to make sure that they're dry, but I get some good spirals. Like, my hair looks good. So I'm kind of testing right here and trying to make sure that each section throughout is dry, and just roll those in the way that I rolled them so I don't disturb the curl at all. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to take down my full head on camera. I'm just going to take down a couple of them, and then I will be back once they're all down and fluffed and see what my final results look like. I wasn't really happy about that one, but anyway, I'm going to take these down and I'll see y'all at the end. Alright, you guys, so this is my hair, finished, fluffed, separated. I don't love it, y'all. I'm gonna be honest. Like I said, my roots just kind of puffed up, but it's decent. It's got some body, it's got some volume. So I'll keep it for a few days and then maybe make a puff or something out of it. So yeah, that is my hair and those are my results, y'all. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.